Hi there. In this video, I'll be answering the question that is, can you change the Ethernet cable from an OpenReach ONT to your router? I'll be covering what you'll need, how to do it, along with testing a new Ethernet cable and the ISP supplied one, which in my case is EE, to show you that they are the same. So why would you want to change the cable? Well, there's a few reasons. The first one being is that you may want to use a different coloured cable. This usually would be to match the colour of the walls or the skirting board. Another reason might be that the cable is too short or even too long and you just want to change it to a more suitable length. Perhaps the cable's even become damaged because a pet's chewed through the cable. No matter the reason, can you change the cable and what do you need to do it? Well, in terms of what you'll need, you just need an Ethernet cable for the length and colour that you need. The types of cables that you can use are Cat5e, Cat6a or Cat7. The only difference between these is the amount of shielding on them and the speeds they can support. For example, Cat5e offers no shielding and can support gigabit speeds up to 100 meters. Cat6a is shielded and can support 1 gigabit and 10 gigabit speeds up to 100 meters. My recommendation would be to go with a Cat6a or Cat7 cable, especially if you are using fibre broadband connections that are greater than 1 gigabit. You can buy them from Amazon or anywhere else that sells them. I'll leave a few options in the description below. Okay, now I'll run the tests on the two cables. The first one will be the cable supplied by EE for their router, which is a Cat5e cable. You can identify the cable's category by looking at the markings on the cable. Look for Cat5e, Cat6a or Cat7. The second will be a cable which I bought, which is a Cat7 cable, but that won't make a difference to the testing. I've hooked the ISP's cable up to my cable tester. It's an old one, but it does the job. What I'm looking for is all 8 of the numbered lights to flash on and then flash off in sequence on both sides of the tester. They have, so I know that this is a normal Ethernet cable. I'll switch over to the cable which I bought and run the tests on that one. The results are the same, with the only exception being the ground light also flickering on and off. This is normal as it's a shielded cable. With the testing done, I'll swap the cable and see how it goes. I'll first pop one end into the ONT and then pop the other end into the WAN port of my router, which is an EE Smart Hub 6 Plus. The light on the hub is amber, indicating the connection is down. The ONT is fine, as the green lights indicate that it's connected correctly. After a few moments, the hub light should go a shade of aqua or turquoise to indicate it's connected. If I have a look in the hub manager, I can see that it's shown as connected. I'll refresh the page on the other tab and it's all good. Please subscribe, by the way. So to answer the question, yes, you can change the cable that goes from the OpenReach ONT to your router. Now, a word of advice, don't get rid of the cable that your ISP supplied. You'll need to use it in the event that you need to get support from them, especially if an engineer visit is needed to resolve the issue. And that's it for this video. If you got value out of it, please like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to know when I release another video. If you would like to see some more videos like this, I have a playlist with more here on the left, and on the right there's a video that YouTube thinks you might like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.